Hi everyone, this is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox D06 and have an initial setup. It's really simple and easy. Simply just cut the top of the stripe of the carton and also the tap off, that we can open up the top of the carton and we can lay the whole carton down for pulling out the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. We have already got a wheelchair outside the carton right now. Simply you can find a seat cushion here. Very special feature of D06 that we need to lift up the backrest, which is folded until we hear the sound click. That means we have the seat back set, and then we open the foot step here towards the front a little bit, hold the top of the seat back, lean the wheelchair to the front and pull back the seat back so that we can open up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Take out the seat back cushion. Very important thing is that we need to pull the stripe down and then push the seat back rest for lock the position for safety concerns. And there are several things inside the storage bag here. We just open up the storage bag. You will find a controller here, a user's manual with safety belt and some simple tools. But the thing is, the charger inside the box is not easy. Let's set the seat cushion on the top of the seat. Seat back cushion with logo to the back, and then inside it through the space here. We can flip up the armrest and then set the controller. You will find a pipe right under the armrest. We just insert it here and then turn the knob to tight. Connect the power with wire to wire. You will find two arrows there. Match them together and then turn the knob in the middle to tight. Wheelchair has freewheel mode design that allow you to switch from manual and electric mode control. If you want to do manual control, simply just push the two lever to the front. Then we can push by hand. If you want to control through electric, simply just put the two levers back. We can flip up the armrest from here. That allows us to access from the side. Either you can choose to go through the front too. Then we can turn on the power. The power is actually charged when it goes out of the factory, so don't worry about the power. Just turn the power on, then you can control the joystick to the front, to the back, to the both sides, right and left. Even a 360-degree rotation is no problem at all. There are two ways for charging the battery. First of all, you can choose the joystick control the charges. Simply find out the charging port in front of the joystick here. Then we just insert the plug of charger here, and then we can connect to power source. It's really simple and easy. Second way is an all-4 charge design. You will find two built-in batteries. Simply just touch the button here, then we can pull out the battery. Really simple and easy. There's a charging port at the front end. We just connect the plug here. Then you can take out the battery, either take it inside your house or you can take it out for any other place for charging whenever there's a power source. First thing is to fold up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. First of all, we have the two armrests to the back. Take out the seat cushion. Pull the stripe down, and then we can push the top of the seat back towards the front a little bit. That allows us to have one hand holds the seat base, the other hand hold the top of the backrest. Then we can push them towards the center. Then we can close it. Really simple engine and fold up the footrest. First thing is the backrest, which is foldable. We just put two levers on both sides down, and then we can fold the top of the backrest. Really simple and easy. We already got the wheelchair folds up. I hope you find the unbox and also initial setup of D06 is really simple and easy for you. If you got any question, we got full information listed on the user's manual, or you can go on to our YouTube, subscribe to it. You get a lot of information and put your thumb up. Thank you very much.